All right, all right. It's a late start for me, but what are we looking at? We are looking at futures are down 18 points, no big deal. We kind of like that. Just looking at the daily S&P, we have this big run up. Um, we're looking like we're getting a little overextended. I'm just checking one of my indicators right now. Yeah, we're a little overextended. I was thinking maybe we'd hit that 191 mark or so. We may still do it today, but a retrace today would not be bad. We do have a gap down here, and I'm thinking that might be our target. I would like to see a 191 and then a slow ease down. We have non-farm payroll at the end of the week, so we're going to have to watch that. I keep saying that the market should be quiet until non-farm payroll, but every time I say that, we get these really, really whippy, wild markets. So I guess if I recommend that we expect that, we may see a quiet day. I don't know. Does it work like that? Am I starting to believe those superstitions? But anyway, I'd like to see it push up a little bit, and then maybe this be our higher low, right? So right now, when we look at the daily, um, looks nice, and we see this trend reversal right here, and we broke the conservative move up. But what we want to see now is a higher low. Here's our low. We have a higher high, higher low, and then move to a higher high, and that would begin an uptrend. And then we got to see if it takes. But I'm thinking a good target is 4,300 right now. I'd like to see us move up to 4,300. I don't think we're going to do it straight without a retrace. So we'll watch that. And the weekly, actually, let's expand that one more time. Look at the weeklies. And from Friday, I mean, look at that. That's a nice, strong bar. A lot of people are going to want to get involved with that bar. But a little retrace this week wouldn't hurt. And if we close right around the high of last week, if we close like that at the end of this week with a simple retrace, we got a nice bull flag on a weekly, which means that we have maybe a week or two more of a move up. So I'm hoping and praying. We got a little gap up here at 393. So that might be nice. And then, yeah, we're in a downtrend on the weekly until we break this high right here. And if we break that high and then come back down, we might be entering a consolidation for the summer month, which would be cool. That would all work out very well. Be very easy to trade. Give us lots of opportunity to make money. I'd like to see it pan out like that. I just don't want to see these 158 days on the S&P 500, man. That's just ridiculous. 2-3% a day. Crazy, 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 crazy news. So yeah, that's what we're looking at on the weekly. And then today is the close of the month, so we could take a quick look at the monthly. That's pretty nice, man. I mean, if we have an absurd day today and we close up right today, yep. It would be cool if we put in a monthly hammer. That would be really cool. But this is not a bad bar. Long wick to the downside, closing up a little bit. Really not bad. Should be able to push us up. Although, look, that's what we represented over here. But we did come down and get to that lower Keltner. All laying out pretty nice, man. I can't argue. It's laying out pretty nice, giving us good opportunity. I mean, lots of cheap stuff to buy out there. I've been buying up. Looks like a lot of insiders are buying, and that's interesting. When the market's getting hammered, these insiders they're buying and they're carrying on that their numbers are going to be soft, but they know that it's a passing phase, a temporary subjugation. So if you're investing long term, it's good to just keep chipping away here at things that you like. Looking at the 10-year, you could see the head and shoulders pattern. So interest rates are going to pull back down a little bit. I still think that 24 mark is a good mark throughout the summer. I think we're going to see that, and that'll help the market to move up. So we'll keep our eye open on that. See if that comes to fruition. We could take a look at the VIX. The VIX is representing pretty much the same thing. You got this, I guess you could call it a triple top. Actually, this chart is real sloppy too. We can get rid of this bad boy. This is probably a good trend right there. Yeah, it's respecting that. It's got this pennant right here. But I'd look for a break to the downside on this pennant, probably hit this longer trend line. It's just showing that things are getting a little more favorable. Everybody's getting a little less antsy. Risk trades are happening. BTC popped. I mean, you have this big gap because you had this trading throughout the holiday. You know, BTC trades all the time, so um, it had the opportunity to move up. It didn't just open up like that. So I don't know if I really look at gap fills on BTC just based on the hours that it trades. Nothing here that excites me. I mean, it's up and that's nice, but I'm not getting excited over a setup or anything right now. So I'm just gonna keep my eye on that. And that's about it, man. That's it in a nutshell. If you guys want me to look at anything in particular, let me know, and I will take a look at that. Leave it in the comments. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Appreciate everybody stopping in, and good luck trading.